what's going on, y'all? Sadistic Picker back here with another package opening video. So, I made a swap with Steve Holder for them wonderful handles he got from, what are they? Bone skins? Bone handles? I can't remember the name of them. But he did an excellent video on them, and I really wanted to try them out. So teasing him turned out to actually be a good thing, because he actually got a few extras sent to him, and I was able to talk him into making a little swap for him. On top of that, because this box fucking feels heavy, I think he threw in some extra stuff, extra stuff too. I'll wait till he makes a video. I think he's going to make a video on the package I sent him, and if not, then I'll update later on what I ended up swapping him out for. But on top of the swap, he's going to do me another solid, and that's cut some euros in half that I've got over the years. And for doing so, I told him go ahead and keep the one side of them. So I'm guessing that's probably why he threw in whatever he threw into this damn thing. I can't remember what he said he was going to put in here, but I can't wait. Oh, I'm a little sissy. Here we go. I just didn't want to show his address. All right, holy cow, what excellent packing. Did way better than I packed, way better. Okay, so I see them scales right on top. Oh, yeah, CL. I see a CL. Wee, I love a CL. That's awesome. So these scales, oh, wow, he even put O-rings on. Steve, thank you. He said it didn't have a insert and O-rings, but these ones got inserts and O-rings. So that's fucking awesome, Steve. Thank you very much. This is greatly appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God, these are awesome. That's cool. Oh, I'm so excited. I thought it was going to be a few days before I was going to get to try these out, but he sent one right away. Uh-oh. I think one broke, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's see if the other ones made it out all right. I wonder if I can epoxy that back together, because I do have the pieces.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, flip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Slow down, don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Cool. Okay, so yeah, that one cracked too. Damn. That's okay. That's okay though. Oh, that one broke bad. Yeah, man. U.S. Postal. I'm gonna bitch at them assholes. I am gonna fucking bitch at them assholes. They treated that like shit. Oh, yeah, that one snapped there too. They really treated that package like shit, Steve. Which is totally not your fault. It's totally not your fault. I mean... Oh, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, no. I was going to say maybe I'll be able to fix them, but yeah, nope. Okay, well, we got one to try out. That's most important. This is all I needed just to see if it was something that I'd be interested in buying. And look at all the extra O-rings I got. Fuck yeah. I mean, how can you go wrong with O-rings? All right, so enough of that. Enough of that. Let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so we got some CLs here, folks. Centos. Gutting counterclockwise advised. What is this? Catastrophe. Caution. Gutting gamble. Thumper's the devil. This is fucking cool. Thank you, Steve, for sending these to me, man. All right. We're going to have some picking content, more picking content come up. Okay. Thank you for the CLs, Steve. That's always appreciated. I love picking CLs. I absolutely love it. So, on to the locks. Holy shit. Look at this bad boy. Thank you, Steve. God damn, that's a beefcake. That's a big old boy. And this was, I think, the second padlock that I bought for myself. I have one of these. These things are beast, and they're not a cheap lock. I know it's not a cheap lock. So I will do a picking video on this because I don't think I've done a picking video on this lock. And then if you don't have this exact same lock, I hope you didn't give me your only one. Because if you don't have this lock, then yeah, I want it to go back to you. But if not, then I'm going to find a new home for this baby because these are really, really cool to have in your collection. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I didn't even know what model this was. I hope it isn't the one that you mentioned to me before you sent it, because I wasn't for sure if it was or not. Okay, anyway. Oh shit. I don't have a Malarco? Awesome. Malarco. Is that Italian? It sounds Italian, and that ain't no sissy snap. Ooh. Thank you, Steve. I fucking like that. I like this too, though. This is beefy. This, I bet you this is gonna be a little bastard, huh? Oh yeah, I could see some security pin in there. Made in China, little bastard. Oh, fuck yeah! Oh, that's cool, Steve. That's cool. A number 570. No, I do not have this. Well, that's what number it is. I don't know what model this is, but that's fucking awesome. Thank you very much, Steve. That's a security spool pin, I think, right there, too. Or either that's a regular... I don't know what... I don't know if that's a secure pin or not. But I can't wait to give this a shot. As a matter of fact, we're going to give that a shot here in a second. Thank you so much for this, Steve. That is... that's fantastic. That's going to go nice on my shelf. Holy shit, an Abus. An Abus shutter. I don't have an Abus shutter lock. An 8270. Man, I bet you this doesn't have a wee snap neither. Oh, I love the key ring on this. Fuck, that's cool, Steve. Steve, these are awesome locks. Thank you so much for making that swap with me, bud. I appreciate that. Let's see if this is a dead core or... Oh, no. I love these spring snaps. You know when that fucker's picked. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Steve. I appreciate you letting me have these, man. Thank you so much. So let's give this a test because, well, I really want to give this a test. And, God, I don't know which one to pick. Let's do the Malarco. Just because, yeah, just because. Let's give this a try. Let's make sure we can't open it with that. Okay, we can't open it just by flexing it. Let's see. I just click on one. I just click on two and lost one. I just click back on one. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, click on three. Click on four. Click on five. I don't think four went all the way down. Or either that, we lost three. Is that three? There we go. Pick that back up. I was gonna say, I think I'm gonna full set here. They make this a little bastard with no ledge to pick off of. There it is. Oh, and it popped right open as I lose the thing. Well, I really like this. That's a nice handle. I really like them handles. And this Malarco, I liked how that picked too. That was cool. I wished I could get that for everybody. And definitely some security pins in this little bastard. At least a spool or two. All right, everybody. This is Sadistic Picker. If you liked it, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all the time, because let's face it, nobody wants to miss a fucking second of this sweet ass picking. So, you guys keep it sadistic and hippie picking.